Hi, and thank you for allowing me to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can get exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition. I'm sorry, and of course, can get more customers. So, first things first, I have your website here, and one of the things that you have to also just to take care of really quick is to uh, this thing over here. See, there's a warning sign. um, it's a simple fix that whoever is managing your domain should be able to do it. It's a simple install. That'll be one of the first things. The second thing, which is very, very important, is to add more content. Um, you need to add more relevant content. When I say content, I'm talking more about the text that is readable here in your website. And why is that important? Because when Google analyzes your website, they read through everything here. For example, all of these that is supposed to be readable. This is just an image, but all the text that you have here, they read through that. And when you add keywords, for example, you're a plumbing supply company in Brooklyn, if you add those kind of keywords and you add content surrounding that keyword, you're telling Google that you actually are a plumbing company in Brooklyn and you want to be found for that specific phrase. So doing that is going to help you for being found on Google, and I'm going to be showing you that in a few seconds. So that being said, you definitely need to add more content through all the website. For example, building products, that's what you have here. I'll suggest you to have an independent web page for each one of these. Um, Same thing for about the Decorama. A little more content about who you guys are and everything. And other than that, I'm going to share these numbers. This is a tool that I use to see data from your website. This is it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So you're being found for only 13 keywords and you have 23 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that I mentioned in your website, and this will give you powers so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same thing happens with backlinks with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and thousands of links, but if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you should have based on the content of your website, you're not going to see any good results, and your rating is not going to increase at all. That being said, let's see what kind of keywords are you being found based on the content of your website, based on the link. So you can see that you have only four keywords showing targeting the United States. You're ranking for your name over here, which is good, but you're not getting, I'm pretty sure it's not giving you any customers for that. You're trying to rank for this one, but again, nothing really relevant for what your services are here showing your website. So if you go to Google, we type plumbing supply Brooklyn, New York. You're going to see here the map section. And this is very important because if you have a profile, it should be optimized. That means it should have relevant content. If you have images, they have to be optimized as well. And one of the main things that I always recommend is to reply to Google reviews. Good ones and bad ones, reply to those because that's one of the things that Google loves to see. Um, Then moving on, we have organic results. So number one, we have these guys, Brooklyn Plumbing Supply.com. Then number two, we got this AFSupply.com. Number three, we got Yelp. So let's see why these guys are ranking number one and what are the benefits and what can you do to start competing with these guys. So we open their website. You can see that they have some content over here. They have more content here. Content. Even though they don't have that much content, probably their links are really good, and that's why they're ranking for that. If you look at the numbers, you can see that they're being found for 88 keywords. They have 68 backlinks, and they're not really good quality, but still doing their job. Let's see the keywords that they're being found for. So, plumbing supply company, the ranking number 5, and they're getting 71 visits for that out of these 1,600 searches a month. So this could be one of the keywords that you might be interested. Um, let's see, plumbing store, Brooklyn, 50 searches a month. Ranking number 2, they're getting 9 visits for that. So all of these visits, if you ask me, are chances for them to get new clients a month. So uh, just a couple of them is almost 300 visits. So that's 300 chances that they get a month to get new clients. And you can see Brooklyn Plumbing Supply, 40 searches a month. They're ranking number 1. They're getting another 6 visits. So you get the idea. So basically, what you need to do is add relevant content, add those keywords, and if you want to be popular for Google, you need to have really good quality links. Um, Other than that, if you have any questions, please let us know. Once again, my name is Alex, and I hope this information is useful for you. Thank you.